Hi, I'm Greg Dell, the managing attorney of Attorneys Dell and Schaefer, and if you've been injured at Whole Foods supermarket as a result of a slip and fall or trip and fall, then our law firm would like to speak with you and see if we can help you to obtain compensation for your injuries, for any lost wages you may have, and especially any medical bills that you incurred that you shouldn't have. Now, you have to understand, the way that you can obtain compensation if you've been injured is that you had to have been involved in some sort of accident that was caused by the fault of Whole Foods. If you just happened to be walking in Whole Foods and tripped over your own feet, or something that wasn't caused by Whole Foods, then you're not entitled to compensation. So our job is to prove that you were injured in Whole Foods as a result of the negligence of someone at Whole Foods. This could have been that you slipped on water by a water cooler that was leaking that Whole Foods failed to take care of. There could have been a tomato that was on the floor for 10 minutes and no one from Whole Foods came over and cleaned it up, and that's exactly what you fell on. Or the floor was completely dirty and there was some salad dressing down by the food bar that had been on the floor, and you slipped on that because nobody came over to clean it up. Those are the kinds of things that can make a establishment like Whole Foods responsible for your injury. So you have to report your incident right after it happens, which hopefully you did already because you're watching this video now. You have to seek medical treatment, which if you haven't done, you need to do that right away. Whether go to the ER, call a doctor, but you got to get treatment right away. And if you don't know of a doctor, we have a list of doctors that our clients have seen in the past that you can refer to and possibly select a doctor that could help you with your medical condition. Once you've reported the incident, sought medical treatment, what we're going to do is we're going to immediately notify Whole Foods for you that you've been injured in this accident, that we're representing you as a result of your injuries. And then we're going to wait to see how your injuries are progressing to the point where we can go back to Whole Foods and say, look, our clients has these type of injuries, has lost these types of wages, has incurred this amount of medical bills, and we're demanding X amount of dollars from you to compensate him or her for her injuries. And at that point, if Whole Foods doesn't want to negotiate with us or offer you a reasonable settlement, then we're going to discuss with you the opportunity to file a lawsuit. And that's something that our lawsuit does every day against some of the world's biggest companies. So give us a call. We want to discuss your claim with you. We always offer an immediate free consultation where we will send someone to meet with you. We'll invite you to come to our office, and right away we'll begin to look into your case. We appreciate you taking the time to speak with us.